Most budget knives are made of soft steel that dulls the second it touches hardwood. This is the FLISSA. It costs less than a tank of gas but claims to use 14C28 in Sandvik steel. The same material found on blades double that price. Today we are not just reading the box, we are taking it out into the brush to see if this axis lock can handle real work or if it is just a dangerous toy. Before we wreck this thing outside on the trail, let's look at what you're actually paying for. The blade steel is 14C28N. This is a massive upgrade over the D2 steel you usually see in this price bracket. D2 is semi-stainless and can rust if you look at it wrong. 14C28N is truly stainless steel, originally designed for razor blades. It takes a wicked edge and resists corrosion, making it perfect for humid hikes. First, the steel. This is 14C28N Sandvik. In a budget world dominated by D2 steel, this is a massive upgrade. D2 is a semi-stainless. It holds an edge but can rust if you look at it wrong. 14C28N is a true stainless steel originally designed for razor blades. It takes a screaming sharp edge and is highly corrosion resistant, making it a better choice for wet environments. Then there's the handle. It is listed as linen, which usually means micarta. This is layers of fabric soaked in resin. The tactical advantage here is simple. Plastic gets slippery when you sweat. Micarta has a texture that actually gets grippier when it's damp or dirty. For the mechanism, we have the axis style lock. It makes the knife fully ambidextrous, but more importantly, it's a safety feature. It keeps your fingers totally out of the blade path when you close it, critical when your hands are cold or tired. Now, the carry profile. It comes with a deep carry clip that is reversible for lefties. It sits low in your pocket so you don't have to look like you're carrying a weapon, just a tool. It's lightweight enough for gym shorts, but heavy enough to feel substantial. Now, let's see if these specs actually hold up in the dirt. Okay, you found an old log here, and we're gonna give this a slice test. It's pretty old, so hopefully it cuts through it pretty easily. So is it slicing? Yes. Is it sharp out of the box? No. Will it do the job? I think so. It doesn't look like that was too terrible on the blade. It's holding what small amount of edge it already had, so I think that's easily remedied. And I think that this will hold a good edge. All right, now it's time to get dirty. Let's see how this thing opens after I run it through the sand. All right, nice and dirty. So let's check out this lock. Gritty, smooth opening. Let's see if I can close it. Yep, still functions. Even full of sand as you see it falling out. We're back at our log. I'm gonna drench my hands and then see if it's still easy to cut using this micarta sheath. So I can still grip it. It is, you know, slightly harder because it's wet, but overall, my hand is not slipping off that, so I would trust to keep using this while it's wet. We carved wood, we soaked it, and we dropped it in the dirt. Here's the bottom line. The 14C28N steel held a working edge better than I expected. It wasn't super sharp to begin with, but that's an easy fix. And the axis lock didn't fail even after the debris test. If you're looking for a heavy-duty survival tool to baton through logs, buy a fixed blade. But if you want a lightweight, corrosion-resistant slicer that disappears in your pocket until you need it, this is a solid win. It punches way above its weight class. I've left a link below so you can check out the current price for yourself. Now get outside and earn your adventures.